Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today is the big day. I like to call my final days the big day, you know. Especially with all of them big toys here, big boy toys here. So we're creating it's currently 8:30 in the morning. We're creating the access for the trucks, and the Bushmaster is at it. So we're doing our last bits of earthwork today, and after this we're gonna fix all our wrongs them in regards to the section of the storm drain that we break, the fence, and some manuals that we destroy. So stay tuned whilst we see if we can properly finish off this project. So guys, this is what they call bartering. I give access through here, so I have to give back something in return, which is kind of clean up the place. So I brush down the whole off so, and then we can get the truck in. You have to kill him? He happy dead?
No, you want to kill him? No, I want to kill him now. Kaya sa nila, long time now.
He not happy dead, he not about our soul.
You know, show you. That's the repent.
Ah boy, killers, this is true, me no shed blood. Nah, get involved. God's creation, you know? It must have a purpose.
Yeah man.
No, lick down them here. And because me can't touch over here, so I'm black the engine. So this is the best we could do to satisfy our people, and going back for my work, you know, that just cost me a couple $1,000 well. The turning point right there, so go this and we'll load up. It is very important to organize, as issues are very easy to arise. So I end up find it hard between last night and today to get another truck. First of all, we'd have a problem with the price. No, I'm not in a room for I really talk to the guy them. I'm not really sure at the location where this a dump off. At this morning I go find out. So I end up have to go and work with one truck. I have to go and monitor this thing behind here, so I can't afford it to just have it for the entire day just for load. You understand? So I'm going to see what can go on. But it's very important to organize and plan out the thing from morning, and don't involve no scope creep, as them lethal in some, them very costly in most instances. So we're going to see what can go on and see if we can do it as efficient as possible. So as soon as the truck is load, we're going to put the hammer and continue knock. So hopefully we're not to finish nothing by the time the truck come back, because I try to save some money. Alright, so this is a sample run. Gonna load up this that much. So we want to kind of feel the soil, and feel the truck flip on the soil, and then we'll burn off the road. Alright. Yo. Yes sir. You're gonna like your journey get shot and shot at phone. Can't do it fast a while ago. Can't search in that search. But no. You're not hearing that fit, yup.
Kami yung question dan ano man natin yung man within days or days ako sa tiyan.
Alright. So no go on matches. Me go in now, so I'm a chef, you know.
We're see boss my next truck man.
Start food. I'm a chef, we start food. I'm afraid of you, afraid. Guys, I try finish today, but not tell no like. So I try get the back off and grade up this whilst still at work once I rock over there. So what is it? Wicked to me. Wicked bad, but we're gonna wrap up. We're gonna wrap up. I'm in here, so chef. See him with the schooler man. The schooler man. A lot of y'all, you guys gonna say me not do it 100% from start to finish, you know. Which me I gonna say are true, but me I take credit for where Rasta start. So we are make and a chicken, but I take a chicken and dumpling and put some of that in a that where you know this take quick for good. I wait till it's cooked down, then I add this to this and the chef is mad. So our work. This is how we end in the day. Just a clean up, grade, and just see how best we can make a place look presentable. And we finish with earthworks around here. So we start set up back for the wall and the fence. Yeah, that'll kill me now, carting away. Boy, alright. Change gear. Fox, I stay. I eat this. No, my ox, I stay for you. You know,
Alright my guy. Let's talk about the video properly.
Team, we did as best as we could. Might look a bit rough on the edges, but it has been a fight, a good fight as well. And as you can see, pure rock with the here, and we are trying to cut it. We have the edges them as square as possible, but I've done a good job. On to the next one. Good morning again, team Ismash. We are no nobody to reach. We are at another house viewing. As I say, we look for some place. Said we haven't find anything because market is not quite reasonable right now, so this process is taking way longer than I predicted, and I believe it is coming to an end soon in God's name. So we'll look on another property. They want some whole heap of money for that 1 year, and it has potential thus far based on the photos them I see, but me in particular never get a lot of photos of the unit, so now I can take a first hand look for myself and see whether or not there is some form of worth to this place, because so far the house them around here is really nice, but I feel like this brings something positive to the cachet of the whole area itself. So we are going to have a look at the unit inside out. We are going to a look on the outside, and you guys can drop in the comment section on a thing when you can tell me look at defects that one might say, some things that I'm oversee, because some of your guys is in certain field, like the whole real estate field and the whole what I call it now, inspection and all of that. Your guys' eyes are more trained than mine, so may I look for no support on this, as this so far to me It's an okay unit at a price. And I end that video, I'm gonna give it a rundown my price, but for now, just look on the unit with me. So guys, this is an idea of the land. I think it's a little bit over 10,000 square feet. Not bad. The unit 2-story, I think it's split level. We're going this out to confirm this. I think we have them breezing on the breeze wall. But so far, you guys notice this is a older type of house. Older type of house. All house not for sale for no money regardless of size and weight. I want to think you appreciate enough cent for no money. Because maintenance turn up on all. Confirm. Split level unit. We have a 9 o'clock appointment, but apparently the memo was sent not by the owners, and the owners are unaware because can't get nobody. So yeah, so far this just need to see what I'm going on the inside. Or outside, nothing too excited, nothing too bad still. I just need to see more. I guess this is okay. So as per usual, things didn't go according to plan. Have some activities planned with the church, some skip viewing the house as nobody now come give away the homeowners and no the housekeeper they plan to give us a viewing, as well as the realtor. Everybody show up, but the homeowner, the housekeeper failed to be present, so we have to move on with the day.
Oh, nasty, I run from.
You want another one?
You say you want him pedicure mess on it?
No.
That we doing.
I do another one, but hold on.
You know, talent also, no,
You need to learn. Training proper way. This is the proper way.
you know why you
Yeah, but improper way.
Hey, I do. Hey! Laugh after me. But the man, like, oh, I print up on the side. I mean, oh, the man so cool, man. Your bag will move.
Papa word is common labor.
Yeah.
That's the official title.
I say, get Barley, come move this bag now. Yo, you see it? I'm telling you, it's a cement in there, look at that. This one alone, she said. And this is screen, nobody else now crack it.
She said.
Boss, busy. Yes, I'm on the side, you know. Yes, sir. Video call the one.
It's okay, I'm doing it.
Oh, GD Van now. I'm going to see.
Oh?
GD. What's that?
See first book.
Yeah, labor pick up plenty now.
Ball, ready? Ball, board, national hero.
Yo.
Here, time, you know.
GD said no shoving at that. I load up the bucket too much and carry it.
Go on.
Well, okay. Where is that go up top?
Anyway, if up top, my full carry up top.
Let me carry this. Jesus.
Morning again, Team Ismash. I think we'll get the opportunity to continue our viewing today. Short notice. See what's going on. So living and dining. Bedroom number 1. Bathroom number 1. I mean, I'm going to do that video then go so. And people say I'm a narcissist. Yo, in the other video, people don't complain, you know. I'm looking in the mirror. When I say I'm full of myself, I show myself and nah, show the house. Why? That's another entryway to the living and dining. Out here says the porch, I believe it is called. Nice because you actually see view out there, so, but I experienced some sorrow dust, you know, so that explains. Closet, bathroom. Not too bad. Too bad at all. Not too bad at all. It's just that things are going. Jeez. What that? Is that over here, sir? Go on, go look now. Nice little bedroom. What are you thinking?
It's nice, it's clean.
You just
You just need
tread.
to update and things.
Yeah.
Take nice and clean.
Look a view right there, so.
I think their decoration makes it better. Because the living room. Nice
It's
decorated.
calm.
Yeah,
Calm, but let's take out the whole of this.
yeah, definitely.
It's some modern just thing. There's like a basement. Where you'll find like an office space where they put up books just for show. I don't think they read it like a lot of people do. Judge of PC man.
Pretty constant.
I don't know.
He's a part, he's a lot.
You feel it? Think they were driving out on the road, you feel it down here, so then it's a vibrate. So this is the down here, so as a bathroom.
Or this is the outside.
I don't know. Not try forever. Now push the door when not lock it. You understand?
Yeah.
And this door. At least outside where the bus is.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this was quick. Nothing to dwell on. Have some moisture issues. However, what do you guys think? So guys, this is the garage area that leads to the door with no lock. So relatively small unit, big enough but relatively small. Okay guys, so the day has come to an end. We viewed the house, we finish up a project R2, and now we are gonna move on to tomorrow's project, which will be in the next vlog. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the vlog. I truly do appreciate your guys' support thus far. Team Ismash. See you in my next vlog. I am out.